Hi everyone, welcome back. If this is the first time you're tuning in, thank you so much. It is an honor to do these videos and a pure fun. Sometimes I take some really beautiful product and make even things more extraordinary, or sometimes I take some mediocre and shitty products and make them and customize them the way I want to. I necessarily don't always love what I see in the general, what's sold out to the general consumer, because my head and my creative thoughts are so much more crazier than this. But anyways, I'm gonna be doing a ring boy pillow, a flower girl basket, and a unity candle, kind of a decor. When I went and to shop for these pieces, as you can see, none of them really go with one another, except that they're ivory and white, and they maybe have some crystals and pearls on it, and everything else to me does not match. So what I'm going to do is trying to create a uniform consistency with these three materials, these three different components. Well, with different components, same component, three different pieces, so it looks, adheres, and makes it a beautiful arrangement. The first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some Dusty Miller and I'm gonna take the leaves of the Dusty Miller and I'm gonna do a grouping of leafing on this. This will dry up beautifully as well. And I'm going to use basically the Dusty Miller throughout the three pieces to pull it all together. And then I'll go back in and I'll do these white dried flowers. I'm gonna take my glue. Amazing, the Dusty Miller. Sometimes you have to be really careful with the hot glue gun. It might burn the leaf. So if you're using a darker green leaf, you might have it get brown. So this is why I suggest that you, and the fact that this thing is really hot, you can burn yourself. When I get to say that about my own work sometimes, look at how gorgeous that is. Look at that. So I'm going to take now my Flower Girl basket. And it's a raw silk ribbon, which has a different feel overall. And I'm gonna tie these leaves that I did a little cluster of, like this, all in one length. And I'm gonna tie this off, like this. And you can put succulents, you can do mini succulents if you want. But like that grayish green is so smoothing. Let's do that for the other one. And then again, the bow tie. I'll come back and fix this and embellish it, but just see that what we're gonna do for the candle as well. Make sure it's straight and not folded. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take whatever's left over here. I'm gonna take this ribbon that we are not using and just tie this off a little bit. Look how pretty this looks. You don't even have to add anything to it already. This is already looks gorgeous, but we are definitely gonna add more and more and more, right? Like, I love to layer. Let's do this for this candle. You know, I'm gonna leave this alone. I think these look fine. Let me go back into the back area and find those dried flowers that I was thinking of using. And then let me bring them back here. I'm back. So I brought these dried flowers. I thought these were really gorgeous. I'm gonna cut some of these heads off, and I'm gonna use it very lightly, not over extending it and making it really crazy. Just accenting it and just making it a very strong statement, yeah? I'm gonna show you how that's gonna be done. Look at this. And probably gonna do about 5 in this one. Roughly. How stunning does that look? So stunning. You can visually see. Sometimes it's a little more than you thought it's going to be, but it's okay. Design always changes. It's never consistently the same. I think I need a couple more just to break that rectangular. Here, let me do one more. There we go. No, it's not perfectly round, which that's not the intention. Anyways, here's that. And then I'm gonna go back in with the Flower Girl basket and just simply just do those. Oh, look at that. No. There. We need to add 1 or 2 right here, just so you can see it. And we're done. Just so pretty. That's covering that piece that we took out. Look at this, so pretty. I'm gonna put this aside. I'm gonna clean up the table and I'm gonna put this away. Doing a dovetail. And you can fill that up with flower petals of any kind that you'd like. Let me finish up the depth. There you go. And then this is your Unity candle, the ring boy pillow, and also the Flower Girl basket. Guys, thank you so much. Again, thank you very, very much for tuning in and watching this episode. I hope this again, inspire you to think out of the box. Even if you see materials that you don't think that are gonna go together, if it's the right shape and it's gonna do the job for you, you can actually dissect it, pull it apart, destroy it, and reconstruct and make something more beautiful like this. Again, thanks you for tuning in. I am very blessed, and peace out, everyone.